What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you are new to our channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell just so you can see future builds coming to our channel. Before we get into our G-Wagon and talk about how much it cost us and what we did to it, let's just have a little walk around and just admire how beautiful this car looks. Alright guys, so this is a 2011 G55 AMG. This is actually the last year they made a G55. They started making them in 2003, they stopped making them in 2011, and 2012 they restarted making the G63s. So this is why the G55s actually hold their value still, and they come supercharger. The 2012 up G63s, they already come bi-turbo and all. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, we did buy this car for $21,000, which is really cheap for a G55, especially 2011, last year. Obviously, we put money into this car by building it a little bit the way we want it. We did a little conversion, so it cost us a little bit more after we got it, and it was missing some parts. So guys, we did get this car off the auction, but it was not crashed. It was actually missing a few body parts here and there, front end, a few modules here and there. I guess they were stolen or something. So this car was not crashed, but it had a lot of missing parts, which we had to buy. And if we bought all stock used parts, it would have cost us a lot cheaper. But just because we wanted to go with the look that we wanted, with the whole front end conversion, which I'm gonna go over in a little bit, it cost us roughly $35,000 the way it stands right now. We did rims to it, all this good stuff. So it cost us around $35,000, which is still really good. We actually had a dealership offer us $42,000 for it. And you know how dealerships work. They offer you 42, they put it on their lot for a lot more to make a profit. So we know we can sell it for a lot more. So we decided to keep it, not give it to the dealership. We are actually gonna ask probably like 45 for it, which is still a really good price. So let's just go over the car, and I wanna show you guys exactly what we did to the car, what we spent the money on, but it was worth it. So let's just get outside and to it. If you guys been watching our videos and following us on Instagram, you know we work a lot with G-Wagons. This is actually our first white one, so you already know the first thing we do is convert the whole front end into a new G60, like a 2018 body G63. So we actually converted the whole front end. So we got the headlights actually because the headlights were stolen, so we got original headlights, the headlight covers, the grille, we got the bumper, we got the little LED kind of lip on it, which is really cool. And we actually got these are aftermarket. They usually come bigger, turn signals. These are a little bit shorter, black. I kind of like it. It looks real nice to do. So we actually got these rims. I think they're like 22s. Yeah, they're 22s. We powder coat them black. We did a little bit mirror upgrade. This G-Wagon comes with older mirrors. We did the new mirrors from a G63. I personally do not like white cars. I never owned a white car, but we had black G-Wagons, we had gray ones, we had silver ones, we had all kinds. This is actually our first white one. And I actually, it really grew on me. The fact that we did a whole bunch of these like black details, the rims, the mirrors, the grille, all this good stuff. Once we added all this, tinted the windows a little bit, the white looks amazing. The white actually looks, I fell in love with white after building this car. So we did actually put on this little kind of sort of grille on the bumper. I don't know how I feel about that still. I kind of like it, I kind of don't like it. So I'll just keep it on there. I don't know, maybe we'll take it off, maybe not. It's only a double-sided tape. So since a lot of parts were missing on this car, like pretty much the whole front end, we had some modules under the seat missing. We had kind of this little side stair, whatever step was missing, and that was really hard to find actually. That took us a good minute to actually find that. Whoever was selling it, it was really expensive at the dealership. We were trying to not spend too much money on this car. So at the end, like I mentioned, it turned out to be around $35,000 plus minus. So it's a still really good deal. Let's go inside the interior and actually show you guys the interior a little bit. What I regret about this car is we should have done a rebuild on YouTube on this car, but the fact that we did the reason why we didn't do it is because we had way too much builds going on and we just didn't have the time to include another build into the videos, because we do have daily jobs, so we have a lot of work and it was too much stress. So we just kind of did this one real fast behind the camera. So check out this interior. It has a white designer package interior. It's a little bit dirty here and there, but check this out. So designer package interior, white on white. The whole back comes white. It has this Alcantara or suede, I'm not sure actually. I really don't know a difference between Alcantara or suede, but it's one of those things. Yeah, so we're actually planning on doing a little bit of starlight going on, starlight action on the kind of like a Rolls Royce or whatever. So it comes with the white door panels. It looks really good on the interior white, but the only thing about white is you can see it gets dirty here and there. We can probably take it to like a really good detail shop and get that all cleaned out, but we just don't have the time to do that right now. Maybe we'll do it ourselves, who knows. Comes with the designer comes designer carpets, all the good stuff. Guys, this car is amazing. I love this car. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys looking for a G-Wagon, even if you guys want this one, you guys can always hit us up on Instagram, foreign builds, and message us and we get back to you right away. We are going to be asking probably $45,000 for this car, around there, which is still a really good deal, because the thing is, I've been buying G-Wagons for a few years now. I've been looking for good deals, all this good stuff, and I kind of know how much they're worth. And G55s, in my opinion, they're always going to hold their value because there's so little of them now, and there's only getting less and less of them. So I'm pretty sure they're always going to hold their value till the end, just like the G500, the 2002 G500. You know, they still cost like around $30,000. It's crazy. So let's just take this thing for a little bit test drive, show you guys how the exhaust sounds, all this good stuff, how it runs. This thing is actually pretty fast because it's supercharged, obviously. So let's get to it. This thing sounds so good. I love how the G55 sound, or the G63s, that actually sound really similar. So let's just take this thing for a spin real quick and just show you guys how it runs. Hopefully you can hear the exhaust on the inside. Let's go. For a spin, e-brake off, let's go. A little bit down. You'll never get old. This will never get old doing that. It's a 7,000 pound car, and it is, to be this fast, it's crazy. That's how you know that it has a really powerful engine. This thing picks up speed really fast. It's actually really smooth. In the G-Wagons, when you drive it, here and there you can hear like little squeaky noise coming from like kind of everywhere from all the plastics and stuff. It's normal. Any G-Wagon you're gonna drive, any G-Wagon you're gonna sit in, you're gonna hear that coming. The older ones are obviously a little bit worse because they're older, they're all worn out and all that stuff. But it's a little bit better and more quieter on a new G-Wagon. So I mentioned earlier, unfortunately we will be selling this G-Wagon, but we are not selling my black one. We are actually planning to do really crazy things to it. We're gonna custom do the whole interior, the seats, the carpet, the door panels, the headliner, you name it, the whole exterior, the rims, all the good stuff, the whole front end conversion, all this stuff. So if you guys want to see us actually build that car, it's going to be on our channel after the Audi build, of course, because we got too much going on right now. So guys, smash the subscribe button if you guys want to see us build a black G-Wagon. Also comment, give us some ideas what we can do to it. You know, we have a lot planned for it. Some things we might do, some things we won't. Once we're gonna start building it, we're gonna know what we're doing. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.